All right, we're doing some exhaust work on this 2010 STI here. We're gonna put a new Catback exhaust on it, but first we gotta go over a couple parts required to get this job done. So here from Grimmspeed, we have their exhaust adapter. This is gonna allow you to go from either an OEM style or an aftermarket 2.5-inch donut flange to your standard 3-inch 2-bolt like that. That's gonna go on the downpipe side. Now on our Catback side, we'll have the included 2-bolt 3-inch extra thick gasket that comes with the kit. We're also gonna do some new gaskets for the rest of the Catback and some fresh hardware. That's a hot ass nut.
Spacers on it because
Oh my God, you don't need it. Come on, baby. So effectively what this adapter does is it makes up the difference between a donut style flange. On these cars from the factory, they are 2.5-inch. This is an aftermarket downpipe, but it retains the factory style flange, so we're gonna do the adapter. You just take your typical donut gasket there, the adapter plate, and now that turns that into a flat 3-inch 2-bolt flange. I do them with like every exhaust, but this stuck before. That's pretty crazy. So this is what might happen if you try to bolt your 3-inch 2-bolt flange just straight to your donut flange. It gets stuck in there and probably doesn't seal properly and makes it tough for the guy you sell your used exhaust to. So please don't do that. We would all appreciate it greatly. So now we've got our mid pipe ready here to go on. We're gonna put our plate on with our gasket. And you can see that fills the gap in perfectly. Just like that. And then we'll get the rest of the exhaust on and tighten that up. Adapter, so you can choose quality faster. Something like that.
it was there, but I got it. And it mounted correctly.
Yeah, might be a problem.
$100 for the car. Typically bought that shift then.
Oh, right. Yeah, I think so. I think that's a fair, have a way with them, okay?
Especially the E36 and E40.
Doing that for the video though, aren't you? All right, we got this exhaust install all wrapped up using proper parts and gaskets to make sure it's a leak-free install. Let's get it started up. Well, I know I said leak-free install, but there's nothing I can do about that, so. Well, despite the leaks, we were able to get this new exhaust on the car, swapped out that single exit for the dual exit. It's looking sick, it's sounding sick, and we'll see you guys in the next one.